Okay, so this is the EastEnders Overture composition. So we're going to start with MIDI instruments. I'm going to kind of go for a more kind of classic sound. So I'm going to go for kind of orchestral instruments. So let's go with brass, trumpet. Oh wait, no. I actually want to start with a bass. Level 3 is bassline, isn't it? So let's not do trumpet for bass. That's not really a bass instrument. Let's do tuba. Yeah. So tuba for our brass. We're going to set up our project. We don't want it to be too fast. So kind of a... So tapping it at the kind of EastEnders tempo is about 90. Counting on 1 bar. And the metronome is at the bottom right. I'm going to slow that down a bit more. 80. Okay, so at the top there I'm going to go back to my range window. I'll double click on my tuba. On the top right, click on the green, click on the Q so it's green. That means quantization is on. Always have that on when you record, and always have the metronome on as well. So I'll come back to the beginning. So it needs to be C, 2, 3, 4. And then F, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to record my bass line. Now you don't have to do it basic. It just says you need to have C for the first bar and F for the second bar. So I might make it more interesting. For example, okay, or anything along those lines. So now I have two versions. Okay, that wasn't very in time, that last one, but I'm getting rid of that anyway, so it's cool. So make sure that's the 2 bars exactly, yep. I can double click on it, and I can make sure I can extend it so it lasts the whole of the bar. And that is your level 3 task.